What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Teams for meetings, from setting up your account to joining, scheduling and managing meetings. No confusion, no tech jargon, just a clean and simple guide. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to the Microsoft Teams official website, and after that you need to log in with your Microsoft Teams account. And after that, when you have logged in, on the left side you can see this calendar button. Click on this, and after that, on the right side, you will see the option to schedule a meeting by just clicking on New Meeting. And after that, you just need to add the title of the meeting. And after entering the title of your meeting, you just need to enter the name, email, or phone number of the recipient that you want to add. Let's say I will add an email ID. And after adding the name, email, or phone number, you just need to select the date, at what date you want to keep the meeting. And after that, you just need to select the time, let's say this. And after that, according to the date and the time, you just need to select all day if you want, or if you don't want it, you can just keep this toggle off. And if you want to repeat this meeting, you can repeat this every weekday, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom as per your needs. And after that, if you want to keep a physical meeting, you can add a location here so that whenever you send this meeting link to another person, uh, the person will be able to access the location and will be able to attend the meeting physically wherever you have given the location. And after that, you just need to give the description of what the meeting is about, basically the agenda of the meeting. And after that, from here, as you can see, this is the bold option, so you can just bold some text which are the important ones. And then here's the italic option, the underline option, and then here is the strike through option. And here are multiple customizing options that you can customize from. And if you want to add a link to the meeting's descriptions, you can click on insert link, and then you can first enter the text to display, and after that just simply paste the link that you want to appear. So the link will be at the back end, and then in the front end it will show the button of link. So when the other person clicks on this link button, he or she will open the address of this link, and basically he or she will open the link. And after that, here are some adjusting tools to adjust your text, and a table if you have inserted, and this is for undo and redo typing. And after that, when you have scheduled the meeting, this will automatically save, or sometimes if it doesn't save, for save aside, you just need to click on the save button here on the right side, and then the meeting will be created. A pop-up window will appear. From here you will see the option to copy your meeting link, so you can just simply copy your meeting link from here, and then you can share it to anyone or all the members that you want to invite. And after that, on the left side at the top here, you can see this meet button. You just need to click on this, and then if you want to schedule a meeting for later, you can click on schedule a meeting. Or if you want to create a custom meeting link, just click on create a meeting link, then click on create and copy link. And after that, a custom meeting will be created, and then the link will be copied. So you can just directly click on share link and share the link of this meeting. And when you click on these three dots, you can also hide this meeting. But if someone has direct access to your Microsoft Teams, the other person can just simply click on this join button and then join the meeting. But if you already have another meeting and you want to join with the meeting ID, so click on this join with a meeting ID and then type in the meeting ID and the meeting passcode, and then click on join meeting to join the meeting. And if you want to schedule a meeting, click on the schedule a meeting, and the process is the same as I told you earlier. And this is how you can use meetings in Microsoft Teams. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.